If you've come across Caluzello.com and you're wondering whether it's legit or just another online scam, you're in the right place. In this quick review, I'll go over the main things you should know before spending any money. At first glance, Caluzello.com looks like a normal online store. The website has a clean design, product images, and prices that may seem attractive. But a nice-looking website doesn't always mean it's trustworthy. One of the first things I always check is the age of the website. New online stores aren't automatically scams, but very new domains deserve extra caution. Scammers often launch fresh websites, collect orders, and disappear after a short time. Next, I look for clear contact information. A legitimate business usually provides a real address, working email, and customer support details. If the contact page is incomplete or difficult to verify, that's definitely something to keep in mind. Another important factor is customer reviews. If you can't find many genuine reviews outside the company's own website, that's not a great sign. And if the only reviews you see are overly positive with no real details, you should be careful. Also pay attention to the prices. If products are being sold for much less than every other store, ask yourself why. Deals that look too good to be true often end up disappointing buyers. Before placing an order, check the shipping, return, and refund policies. Read the fine print. Some questionable websites make refunds very difficult or include hidden conditions that customers only discover later. If you decide to buy from Caluzello.com, use a payment method that offers buyer protection, such as a credit card or a trusted payment service. Avoid direct bank transfers or payment methods that don't provide a way to dispute charges. So, is Caluzello.com legit or a scam? Based on the available information, it's best to approach this website with caution. Do your own research, verify the company's details, and don't rush into a purchase just because the prices look tempting.